Want to handle giant backyard logs? The Montana MD90 is your answer. With a 33 kilowatt motor and capacity for logs up to 900 millimeters thick, this portable bandsaw turns massive timber into beautiful lumber effortlessly. Time to unleash your inner woodworker. Want to handle giant backyard logs? The Montana MD90 is your answer. With a 33 kilowatt motor and capacity for logs up to 900 millimeters thick, this portable bandsaw turns massive timber into beautiful lumber effortlessly. Time to unleash your inner woodworker. With a hydraulic press, some scrap metal, and a ton of ingenuity, this guy created a firewood splitter. Just like that. It might not be the prettiest thing, but when it comes to getting the job done, it's all about efficiency and power. Take a look at the results. You're in for a surprise. Imagine the bone-chilling sight of massive tons of timber roaring to life and spiraling out of control. It's not just chaos, it's a living nightmare. Can you even grasp the sheer terror? Ah, the beauty of cedar. A true gift from nature, brimming with warmth and unmatched durability. Join me on a captivating journey as we step inside a Japanese woodworking factory and uncover the enchanting craftsmanship that brings this magnificent wood to life. Can you even believe it? The LKT-81 is hauling a jaw-dropping 20 cubic meters of timber. That's not a mistake. We're talking 3 times the usual capacity. This beast of a machine is a true powerhouse, designed to withstand anything and dominate any challenge. So, what do you think? Is the LKT-81 the ultimate workhorse, or what? Introducing the HSM405H, a high-performance harvester designed to tackle the toughest demands of large-scale timber operations. Built for power and stability, this machine is the perfect solution for efficient, mechanized logging. With a price tag around $440,000, it's more than just a tool. It's a serious investment in maximizing productivity and operational efficiency. Hold on tight, because you're about to see some truly jaw-dropping feats of lumberjacking. These Asian tree fellers are taking things to a whole new level. No safety gear, no harnesses, just bare feet climbing towering trees and cutting them down with a single saw. It's wild, it's daring, and you won't believe your eyes. Whoa! When the Welta W130 and Kessler 25RH2 join forces, it's not just a machine. It's like a symphony of power and precision in action. Forget merely optimized. Productivity is off the charts. And the operator? They're not just satisfied. They're probably doing a victory dance. This combo is absolutely mind-blowing. In a thrilling face-off, the Husqvarna 572 XP and Stihl MS 462C went head-to-head, showcasing their cutting power and precision. Both chainsaws delivered exceptional performance, making it a nail-biting contest. So, which one will come out on top? The suspense is killing us. Check out this Foley bell saw, a classic 14-inch circular sawmill. It's like stepping back in time to when craftsmanship was all about hands-on work. Imagine seeing it in action, transforming massive trees into lumber for building homes. It's a fascinating glimpse into the past and a reminder of the incredible effort that went into every piece of wood back then. This saw isn't just old school, it's a true piece of history. Curious about how people tackled giant trees before chainsaws came along? It was all about felling saws and axes. Ready to see this old-school method in action? Watch the video and let me know what you think.